Hey, this is Voices for Learning, where we help you grow as a voice actor. My name is Susan. Thank you so much for watching this video. June is audiobook month, and so all my videos this month are about audiobooks. And before I get into this video, I wanted to spotlight a very special course that you can take for audiobooks. It's my friend Anthony Pica's course. It's for ACX, and it's how to get awesome results on ACX. So be sure and check it out in the description. You'll see it there. And please like, please subscribe. So what I'm going to tell you about in this video is how to get work in the audiobook world without auditioning. I've done several of those videos, and here is another tip on how I have gotten audiobook work without auditioning. Here we go. So here we are on my favorite platform, Fiverr. And on Fiverr, I have as one of my gigs a audiobook narration gig. And as you can see, the audiobook narration gig is a little bit different from the others. With audiobook narration, you can have different packages, and I have 3 different packages. My first one is my basic package, which is just 15 minutes of finished audio for $75, or 2,250 words that are fully edited and mastered, ready to market, ready to go on ACX. Bam. My standard package is 30 minutes of finished audio for $125, or 4,500 words, again, ready to go on ACX, or, Findaway Voices, wherever. And my premium package is 60 minutes for $250, or 9,000 words, again, ready to go. Industry standards met. So what you can see is that basically I charge $250 per finished hour of an audiobook. Now, here's kind of the neat thing about Fiverr. This happened to me every single audiobook. The author reached out to me on Fiverr. They saw that I, narrated audiobooks. They listened to my samples and they said, "Hey, Susan, I've got this audiobook. Would you mind recording a sample for me?" And I was like, of course. So I recorded a quick little 30-second, 1-minute sample for them of their book, sent it to them through Fiverr. They hired me, and we were able to do the transaction through Fiverr. And I still was able to, talk with them outside of Fiverr, like through Zoom calls and stuff like that, and have a relationship with them, develop a relationship with them. But they found me through Fiverr. They paid me through Fiverr. And it was really seamless, and I didn't do a blind audition. That's what we want to get to. We want to get to a point where we're not doing blind auditions, where we're looking at ACX and saying, "Oh, that looks good. Let me audition for that." What you want to do is get to a point in your career where people are reaching out to you, authors are reaching out to you, rather than you having to reach out to them. I hope that makes sense. And Fiverr is a great platform. Now, here is a secret about my gig. I actually don't even have it activated at this point. I have pared down my audiobook narration jobs to just 5 a year. So I'm only going to narrate 5 audiobooks a year because I'm so busy with everything else. And I'm not even sure if in 2021 if I will even narrate any audiobooks. I've just done so many. But I did my 5. Well, I did way more than 5 last year, but I found the last ones, that last group on Fiverr, and actually one author used me for 3 different books. So that was a pretty nice little, job right there. At this point, even though I don't have my audiobook gig activated on Fiverr, I still get queries from authors asking me if I will narrate their audiobook. And at this point, I've bumped up my price to $350 per finished hour, and I haven't had any authors who have taken me up on that yet. But that's kind of where my price is right now because I'm just so busy with everything else. So Fiverr is a great place to go to get audiobook work without auditioning. And I highly recommend you get on that. As a bonus, my friend Anthony Pica also has a course for Fiverr that shows you how to set up your Fiverr gig, best practices, how to get going, and how to make money. The name of his course is How to Make $20,000 on Fiverr. So I can definitely tell you that you will make $20,000 at least on Fiverr, and a lot more on Fiverr. I know last year I doubled my income just by using Fiverr alone. And then this year, again, I will double that again. And that is mostly Fiverr, just having my gig on Fiverr, having my profile up there, having my services available on Fiverr. It is a great platform. And who would have known? I was told forever not to get on Fiverr. And I finally stopped listening to that advice and went ahead and just did what I wanted to do. And here we go. So Fiverr is another great resource for you to get audiobook work without auditioning, with minimal work on the front end and just going and just doing it. So I hope you have a great day. I hope you'll learn something. Please like, please subscribe. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Keep going. You're doing great. Take care. Bye.